Subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily change your wallpaper on your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to go to settings, and in settings under the accessibility you will find wallpaper. So just open it, and here you will find choose a new wallpaper. So just choose it, and here you will see this is by default images for wallpaper, and under this you will see your own images you can also add on wallpaper. So for example, dynamic, we will choose dynamics, and here you will see different images. So you just choose one of them, and here you can also see how it looks. It's dynamic image. So just click set, and here you can also set it for lock screen, set for home screen, and set for both. It means it will be for lock screen and for home screen. We will choose it, for example, for lock screen. So now if we lock our iPhone, we will see our new wallpaper. So that's how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.